today we'll be discussing about modernity in Europe and how did role of Enlightenment period played the role in bringing modernity. So what is modernity? Now modernity is the ability to move in with the changing world. So it is the ability of us to adapt with the changing world and move according to it. So what role did Enlightenment period played for the same? Now, how did Enlightenment contributed towards modernity? What are the reasons that socially contributed towards modernity? Now, socially, rational thoughts emerged. Rational thoughts emerged as, or they replaced the traditional thoughts. Apart from that, we started looking towards reality in a new way. So, towards reality in a new way. There was questioning to church, etc. Apart from that, individuals got focused towards individualism rather than collectivity. And politically, how Enlightenment period brought modernity. Now, politically, there were more freedom of ideas. People got to know about their rights. Various intellectual thinkers have talked about these rights and freedom. One such intellectual thinker was John Locke, who gave the idea of right to life and right to property. Apart from that, Voltaire talked about freedom of expression and religious toleration. So this was how social contribution was made towards modernity, political contribution towards modernity. Now comes the economic factor. How did economic contribution made modernity in Europe? So Britain or Europe shifted from subsistence economy to dynamic economy. Apart from that, Venice became the trade center. Now, Europe started trade with Orientalist countries, and one such Orientalist country was or is India. Fine. Now, if I have to conclude that how did Enlightenment period brought modernity in Europe, so I would say that rational thought became the new religion. Questioning became the center of thought. Other than that, various social upheavals that were created or that happened eventually led to our thinkers think about emergence of sociology. And those intellectual thinkers were Hegel, Spencer, and Kant. So this was a brief description how modernity contributed to emergence of sociology. So for more details, join our classes. Thank you so much.